Hello, my dear children. Good morning, all of you. Today, for class 11, you have already learned limit of a function. Today, differentiation. Differentiation, that means discriminate, the act of distinguishing. There are some formulas you know very well. From green zone, you will get the green signal, only you may cross the red. That is problem. So this is why first you have to pay attention here. D by dx, that is nothing but symbol of differentiation, and x to the power n, by differentiating x to the power n, the result is n into x to the power n minus 1. This is the result. Algebraic function up to this is given. All you will get in book. Now if you pay attention, then you will understand the difference. And differentiation of x, that is equal to 1, e to the power x, that is e to the power x. Differentiation and product and differentiation same. Not only in differentiation, in integration also, e to the power x integration e to the power x. You must remember this. And this is ax plus b whole to the power n. By applying this law, we are getting this. Then this expression again we have to differentiate. This is known as chain rule for composite function, that you will do at class 12. And see, n into ax plus b whole to the power n minus 1, and differentiating of ax, that is a constant, and differentiation of x, that is 1, and b is the constant term, differentiation of constant term 0. This is this. This rule is known as chain rule. There is a trigonometrical function. There are 6 trigonometrical functions, and that is given here clearly. And last one algebraic function, that is log x equal to 1 by x. And at last d by dx sin mx. Sin mx, m means instead of m it will be 2, 3, 4, etc. any numerical number. In that will be m into sin mx. In place of sin, if it is given, then m into sin mx. If it is given cos, then minus m cos mx. In this way, other 5 trigonometrical function will be same. And at last, that is cosec mx. If it is given cosec mx, that will be minus m cosec mx into cot mx. I think clear. You have to learn by heart all the formulas. And another things, that is basic operation. If you understand clearly, then no problem. Differentiation you will do very smoothly. See the basic operation. D by dx, u plus minus p. That means this is the expression. This expression we may write separately. If it is given plus, then it will be plus. If it is given minus, then it will be minus. This method or operation known as sum and difference. And see one example. Example is better than theorem. So try to understand the example. For fx equal to 5 x to the power 6 up to this. The symbol of differentiation, that is also f dash x. Here you will get 2 information. First, expression we may write separately in this way, and second, any constant term we have to write before differentiation. See, 5 into d by dx x to the power 6. Similarly, minus 7 will come before differentiation, then x cube. In this way, you have to separate the terms taking the constant before differentiation. I think clear. Now the product rule. This is known as product rule. UV, between these two, any one you may consider first function, second function. That will be no harm. U unchanged, differentiation of V, V unchanged, differentiation of U. This is known as product rule. And another product rule, that is UVW, that is U differentiation, VW constant, and UW constant, V differentiation, and UV constant, differentiation W. This is also known as product rule. And last, that is quotient rule, U by V. V, that is denominator. Denominator will be unchanged. Differentiation of numerator. Here is minus. In case of product, here is plus. And in case of quotient, that is minus. And U unchanged, differentiation of V divided by V square. These are the basic operation. If you see and listen attentively, I think you will not feel any difficulties. This chapter is very simple chapter. Now I am showing some solution on the basis of formula and basic operation. Please pay your attention. I think easily you will understand. First sum, that is, find the derivative of the following: x to the power 4 sorry for interruption. Differentiation d by dx, x to the power 4 plus 3 minus log x minus e to the power x. This is the symbol of differentiation. From the first basic operation, we may write this separately. See, that is d by dx, x to the power 4 plus d by dx 3 minus d by dx log x and minus d by dx, that is e to the power x. This is the basic operation. I think it is clear. Now we have to differentiate by applying this step. X to the power n, that means x to the power 4, n into x to the power n minus 1. Here in place of n it is given 4, so it will be 4 into x to the power 4 minus 1. Clear? Now the constant c is the constant, differentiation of constant term, that is 0, minus log x, that is 1 by x, and e to the power x, that is e to the power x. Differentiation is finished. Now we have to simplify. That is 4x cube minus x minus e to the power x. This is the answer. What's the problem? Very easy, no? Okay. Next sum, that is sec x tan x. Sec x tan x, see number 2, d by dx, that is sec x into tan x. That is by product rule, UV. Anyone between these two we may consider first. This is sec x, we are taking first, that is sec x unchanged, differentiation of the tan x, then tan x plus tan x unchanged, differentiation of sec x. By applying formula we are getting this. Now we have to differentiate sec x and differentiation of tan x, that is tan x c. What is given? Sec square x, that is sec square x plus tan x, and differentiation of sec x, that is sec x into tan x, sec x into tan x. By applying formula, we are getting the result. Now simplification. Sec x will be the common. After taking the sec x common, then it will be sec square x plus tan square x. This is the tan square x. This is the answer. I think very simple. Only basic operation, if you remember, and formula, then sum easily, comfortably you may solve. Next sum, that is e to the power, that one you may try at home. I am doing part 4. See the part 4. D by dx 1 plus sin x 1 minus sin x. This is by quotient rule, that is UV. This will be unchanged, that is 1 minus sin x. 1 minus sin x is unchanged, and differentiation of, that is 1 plus sin x, 1 plus sin x. Now minus 1 plus sin x is unchanged, differentiation of 1 minus sin x. I think by applying the basic operation we are getting this. Now we have to differentiate, that is 1 minus sin x, sin x. Differentiation of constant, that is known to you very well, 0, and differentiation of sin x, see sin x, that is cos x, minus 1 plus sin x. Differentiation of constant, that is 0, differentiation of sin x, that is, here is minus, so minus cos x. So differentiation is completed. Now we have to simplify, that is we have to multiply with this, that is cos x minus sin x cos x. Here minus minus, that is plus sin x, minus minus plus, that is sin x cos x. Now sin x cos x will be cancelled. What will remaining? That is cos x plus sin x. This is this is cos x, sorry. This multiplication cos x minus cos x. This is cos x. So cos x plus cos x, that is 2 cos x. 2 cos x, this is the answer. I think clear. But simplification also may give you trouble. Just now you have seen. So you must be attentive, and you must be alert also. So I think it is clear. Still, if you feel difficulties, next video you must observe. Then the concept of differentiation will be clear. Okay, thank you everybody.